my squad, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, so no ranting, let's get right into the video. First, you'll need a spoolie. Spoolies are for brushing your eyebrows in one direction. So now I'm just brushing my eyebrows in one direction, ensuring that all the hairs are going the way that they're meant to go, basically. Now I'm gonna take a eyebrow pencil that I got from the hair store for $1. Now you want to take the pencil and line the bottom of your brow to get the shape that you will like. My brows are kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. They just like go up like a stern look. I don't know. That's how my brows are, and I love them. So I fast forwarded this part because it's self-explanatory. All you're gonna do is line your brows from the bottom, top to the middle, fill them in the middle, and just keep on following the shape that was already given to you. LOL, I know they look crazy, but I like to do mine crazy because they're gonna get fixed with the concealer. The concealer like outlines and get rid of all the harsh lines. I'm always dancing, what? So now you just want to take the spoolie again and like blend the front. See how I'm in the front? Then like, I really don't touch the back because the back's supposed to be darker than the front. Now I'm gonna take my angled eyebrow brush with the blender in the back and my LA Girl concealer, color Toffee. And all you're gonna do is outline the bottom and then go to the top. Okay, I just finished outlining the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna flip the brush over to the blending part and just blend. So now this angle is better, so you can get to see actually like, what am I doing? Just following the brow, and then you're gonna flip the brush and blend. Sometimes I still do like to use the angle part of the brush because if you want to be more precise and not miss the lines, that angle part of the brush will help you do so. So I'm just flicking it, just being very careful that I do not mess up the brow itself. Then I'm going to take the spoolie and blend again. Y'all cannot tell me that I didn't just snatch this eyebrow. Like, look at it. Ooh, yep, snatched eye. I really do love my eyebrows. Like, they got a natural arch. Like, they're so cute. They really are. And they're naturally thick. Like, I'm not making them this thick. They're actually that thick. I hate when people make them thick. Like, you don't belong with thick eyebrows if you already do not have them. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. Hey. I'm lit. Now I'm just gonna take the blended part of the brush and blend for extra security everywhere. They just are so nice. I'm gonna slow it down just so you can see. And yes, I do know my right eyebrow does have a higher arch than my left, but it's okay because it looks good. Damn good. It's like something that I naturally do with my right eyebrow that causes it to look higher than the other one, but it's really not. So now I'm just taking the LA Girl concealer and putting it on my lids, and I'm going to blend it with a brush. Now I'm going to take my Airspun powder to apply to my lids over the concealer. It acts as a base so that the colors for the eyeshadow can show better. Insider alert.
Young happy homes. Yeah, running back turbo. Choppers on deck. Everything is on demand. You wanna check? First you gotta have a plan. Girl, you need a man, and he need them bands. And y'all need a plan, and y'all can be planned. Do you understand what the fuck that I'm saying? Do you understand? Yeah, what the fuck that I'm saying?
So now I'm going to go in with my NYX lingerie palette in the plum color. What am I doing? Like I said, I'm going to go in with the plum color as a base and just windshield wiper motions. and circle emotions as well. So now I'm just gonna speed it up because you all already get the gist of everything. Windshield micro motions and circle emotions along the crease. I like to go as high as possible up to my eyebrows as I can because my makeup, my rules, everybody have your own rules. I just like that look. I really was turning up throughout this whole video. Excuse me, y'all. Like, I was just turning up listening to music while I'm doing my makeup. I had to grab some coconut oil. My lips was a bit dry. Can't have dry lips. That ain't cute. That's just not cute, ladies. Fellas too. Now I'm going to just take my LA Girl concealer once again in the angle brush to kind of cut my crease, basically. Disclaimer, my eyebrows weren't even arched in this video. Like, I haven't got my eyebrows arched in like 6 months because I was trying to grow them thicker like they are now. So basically cutting the crease is just following the line of your crease. Make sure you do blend it out because if there's too much concealer on top, the color will not stick. It just won't stick. So just make sure you blend it out. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on that side to this side. So I'm just going to speed it up and let the video play. Now I'm going to go in with the same palette, the Lingerie NYX one, with the fuchsia kind of coral color. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with that in the inner corner of my eye, on both eyes, just the inner corner though. Now I'm gonna take this palette called Eyes in the blue color. I forgot who it's by. I'm just gonna go with that with the outer corner of my eyes. And yeah, just keep on blending it. Some of the blue did get on the plum color, so all I'm doing is taking the plum color and just going back over it. I'm gonna take my LA Girl concealer once again in the angle brush and just outline the outer corner of my eye. I like to see that sharp line. So I'm just gonna take that and line that and blend it. Like I said before, you can see better on this side, so all I'm doing is taking the line and just following the natural line that you have there, just so you can have a sharp line. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. face primer and prime everywhere besides my eyes and my brows. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the colors 360 in this e.l.f. foundation brush, and I'm going to apply with that. Now I'm going to take a plain black eyeliner pencil and just line the bottom of my eye. I just like the black because it gives me that pop eye. Now I'm taking my foundation brush once again, just so I can blend everything out so it won't be so shiny and oily like it's not blended in. Next is the concealer, and you're going to put it under your eye. And then you're going to get a wet beauty blender and blend, blend, blend. Fun fact, this is my favorite part of doing makeup. It's just like exciting seeing like a transition in your face, basically. So all of the places that I do put concealer is under both eyes, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose and also on my chin. Now I'm going to just take the Airspun powder again. I really don't know how to say it. I don't know how to talk, y'all. But the Airspun powder, and I'm going to put it everywhere I put the concealer at. And that powder really works fast. So you got to put it on and wipe it off. And going along my nose bridge line. Next, I'm going to go into my NYX in the corner shimmer. I don't know what the color is, but yeah, it's for the inner corner. I'm just going to apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to take this angled eyeshadow brush and apply it below my brow and above my shadow. As well as my Cupid's bow. As you guys can tell, I love NYX. I have so many of their products. NYX, if you're watching, please sponsor me. Please. But yeah, I'm just going to apply it along my lips. I'm not sure what the color is, but yeah. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite lip gloss ever, a non-sticky lip gloss found at the hair store. Yes, the hair store, $1. It's the best. I did not know which color I wanted to use, so clear gloss is my go-to. So yeah, I did end up putting on color though later that day for a performance I had. I'm just going to put on mascara. My lashes are very long. You will see when I'm done applying the mascara, but my lashes are very long. See what I told y'all? Very long and full. That's why I just like using mascara for most of my looks. Now I'm going to take my NYX matte finishing spray. This is the only MAC type of makeup product I like to use, which is finishing spray, because it like level everything out. So this is it. This is the finished makeup look. A beginner friendly makeup tutorial featuring NYX products, FitMe products, MAC products, ELF products, hair store products, drugstore products, and many more. If you like this video, be sure to come back to my channel for more LifeOfMY. I'm on the road to 1K by the end of this year. Get me there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how did I do. Thanks for watching again. Bye.
I was celebrating. I didn't have a dime, but I was always focused. I ain't waste no time. I ain't never calling my